What, are you singing yourself?
Somebody got to do it. Somebody needs to be doing it when FM's got free slots. How are you, my lovely?
Oh, thank you.
I just thought, that's what's she doing singing to herself out there?
I'm waiting on a rehearsal. So I thought, why waste time? We got a brownie singing tonight. So I'm practicing. I'm making good use of the time.
I could hear you coming up Market Street.
Hey, but nice to have you people back.
And you, see you later. St Helena.
Oh, it's tied up.
Yeah. Well, 1966. Look at that in there now. Dog out anyway.
Huh? A dog? Oh, look at that little dog. Big dog.
Maybe. You right? Oh. This place of peace with St Helena.
What?
Rabbit.
Chunky beef and there's a roast chicken meal, rise and shine burger. At Bertrand's Cottage and their menus for the week. So we have a look at the brunch menu right now. There's French toast topped with bacon, cheese and maple, chicken and
Are you going down the town?
Yeah. Barbecue
On the
pork,
left? That's a long walk.
egg, bacon and cheese toast.
Let's go then. Alright?
Hello.
Look, yeah, look,
I was walking.
down the road and I thought I can't leave her walking. Yeah, Anne's up there, she's dropped it off, so I'm going down the station now.
Okay.
So.
Play a song for us.
Huh?
Play a song for us. Okay. Take
Yeah.
care, eh?
No Christmas songs.
No Christmas
No,
songs.
no. Well, see you later.
Can't sleep on the plane.
Oh, there's my brother-in-law coming the other way now.
They all come there.
Yeah. Left a space for me down there.
There's just a parking problem. Oh,
He wasn't going to stop.
No, they don't do that.
He's going to go, who's got him with him?
Why they know you?
The other way. Uh-oh. Yep. Gonna get wet. That's Lee in the back there. They're caught behind that lot, aren't they? Oh, hang on. Oh, John boy!
Oh yeah, you alright? What have you done, Uncle?
Hello, darling.
Hello, sweetie.
Where'd you go? Nice to see you again.
Yeah, and you? How's things?
Doing fine, you know?
Oh, good.
Doing fine. How's that trouble there?
Yeah, he's been up the station.
Best
so.
place for him.
Yeah.
No, I've not been on it. I've been preparing tomorrow's. Putting your
Put together now.
yeah, all put together.
Make sure I say that.
I got a
Ivy.
I got no. You know you did the was it Sonia and somebody?
Hey?
You did them twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you did them twice. I only did it once.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, but it goes in live from the Grand Parade.
Yeah.
And there's a diesel going up behind. It goes. So it's got a right nice end to it.
That's it. That's good.
So it's all. It comes out quite nice.
Let's get busy again.
Oh.
I'll catch you up again, darling.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
see you later, John.
Bye, Merry Christmas. Oh. Take the ones from.
Hugs and kisses and wishes to also Ariana and Uncle Cleo. Much love from Nathan Kelson and Charlie Page.
Yeah.
Hope you all have a nice Christmas. And
Just have it.
this comes to you from Charlie Page Thomas.
Maybe.
Quite a few
No.
names here. I'm not quite sure exactly.
Yeah, I've got
who's
a
coming
shout out
from.
for you because you didn't get your Christmas card, so I was going to
Somebody
say
send me the email, and I'm
Christmas
not
cards.
sure
And what
if that's
so it'll be towards the end, round about whatever.
Email comes from Julie,
Alright.
and the number
Were you off
says
to
Charlie
now?
Page Thomas. Hope you enjoy this.
Oh, okay. See you later. Got a Death Wish chicken. Oh my God, poor thing.
Oh, he's drunk. Go, 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 go.